In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email template in Gmail. If you find yourself typing the same message again and again, templates can save you time and keep your communication consistent. We'll turn the feature on, create a template you can reuse, and then insert it into a new email whenever you need it. First, let's enable templates. Open Gmail on your computer, then click the gear icon for settings at the top right. Choose See all settings to open the full settings page. Along the top, click the Advanced tab. Look for the option labeled Templates and click Enable. Don't forget to scroll down and hit Save Changes. Gmail will refresh and templates will now be available. If you don't see templates, make sure you're in the full web version of Gmail. Once enabled, you only have to do this once. Now, let's create your first template. Click Compose to start a new message. Type the email exactly the way you want it to appear in the future. You can add formatting, links, and placeholders like hi name, so it's easy to personalize later. Keep in mind that templates insert content into the message body. They don't automatically add recipients, and the subject line isn't saved with the template, so you'll set those when you send. When your draft looks good, click the three dots in the bottom right corner of the Compose window, hover over Templates, select Save Draft as Template, then choose Save as New Template. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you can find it quickly. Then click Save. Quick tip: if you use an automatic signature in Gmail, avoid saving a signature inside the template to prevent duplicates. Using your template is just as simple. Click Compose to open a new message. Click the three dots, hover over Templates, and select the template you just saved. Gmail will insert the content right into your email. Update any placeholders, add your recipients, and set your subject line. Give it a quick proofread to make sure the details are correct before you send. A couple of helpful notes before we wrap up. If you ever need to update a template, start a new draft with the revised text, open the three-dot menu, go to Templates, choose Save Draft as Template, and then select the existing template name to overwrite it. You can also delete templates from the same menu if you no longer need them. That's it. You've enabled templates, created one, and used it in a message. Try building a few for your most common replies so you can communicate faster and more consistently.